everyone? So I know that the lighting is a little weird right now. I just did not feel like setting up my lights, to be completely honest with you. But I wanted to sit down and film a really quick video. Like I promised, this was probably going to be one of the shortest videos that I ever filmed. But today's Monday, and I know that in some of my previous videos and just on like Instagram and other forms of social media, I've mentioned the Motivation Monday series that I really want to start on my channel, so I figured I would go ahead and just kick it off with like an introduction to the series and asking you guys what you want to see with it and just sort of explaining my mindset for doing this series. I just thought that this series would be something good for me to incorporate into my channel moving forward. And I figured it would be a good opportunity for me to talk about like grieving and the accident or just more personal things if it's something that you guys want to hear about. But it doesn't have to be related to that. It could really be related to anything, and that's why I want to call it Motivation Mondays, because motivation can be related to literally every aspect of your life. So it's just something that's very broad, and I'm not really restricted with what I do with it. Ideally, I would want this to be something that I post every Monday, and then another day of the week I could post a fun video or a clothing haul or a makeup video, something a little bit more fun and laid back. But I really want my channel to become more of just a lifestyle account, because obviously I've been through a lot and I just want to use that to motivate others and just be like an inspiration. And I know that sounds really corny and cheesy and everything, but like if I can help other people, I would much rather do that than talk about makeup. I don't know, I thought Motivation Mondays just kind of sounded cute, but also Mondays are most people's least favorite day of the week. You know, the weekend is over, and for me, they're one of my busier days of the week. So if I can film a video and kind of distract you guys from your craziness for a few minutes on your Mondays, I figured, what the heck, I'm going to go ahead and do that. Another thing that I want to know is if there's a time of day that you guys would rather have me post the video, because I'm in class pretty much all day on Mondays. So I know that I don't really watch videos until later in the day, but if you guys would want me to post them in the morning, that way you can watch them before you go to work or before you go to class, or if you want me to just post them like at noon, right in the middle of the day, let me know, because I really want this to be tailored around you guys. You know, it's something that makes me happy, but obviously you guys are the ones that are going to be watching the video. So definitely please just give me as much feedback as you can on just the idea of this series. One of the ideas that I have, and I'll probably do this for the first video, just because it's an idea that I really like, is filming a video on some of my favorite quotes. So please just send me all of the ideas that you guys have, message me on Instagram, comment on this video, let me know, and I'm so excited for the series. I think it's going to be just an awesome thing for my channel. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for all of your love and support just with everything that I've been through recently. I got so much love on my New York video. Everyone was just talking about how happy I looked and how happy for me they were. And I think it's cool that you guys can, you know, see me going through this journey. And you guys can be there for me, because it makes a huge difference. So I'm not going to ramble, I'm not going to get super sappy or anything today, so I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm definitely starting my Motivation Monday series. So I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.
Who's your baby girl? Come here. Can you say hello? Can you say hi?
Ooh. What are you? Oh, she's sleeping. Okay. Okay, bye.